Hello, I made it to Matsue. Right now it's 1:10. From Yonago to here takes about 20 minutes, I think. 25-30 minutes. Here, there are two things I wanted to see and try. First is Matsue Castle. It looks really nice. And also, there's Matsue is like kind of a city where it's covered with a water lake. So I will try those the boat. So this is one of the river, I think, in Matsue. You just walk straight like this, and I don't know if you can see, but that building over there, it's kind of like not giving the Japanese vibe. It's, to me, it's very, I don't know, like Tokyo, like big city vibe. And as far as I know, Matsue is a very small city. This is like a European hotel. I think this is a small river from the big river, which is going around the city. Maybe like that way. I don't know, but we'll check once we get there. I'm on the boat. Whenever they have a low bridge like that one, they lower the ceiling, so everyone has to bend down.
왼쪽으로 마트의 성이 멋지게 보입니다.
My thought about this boat tour, I strongly recommend. I mean, most of the explanation were in Japanese, but like still, these, like, where can we do this kind of stuff, you know? And like, this is, well, what's so good about this boat is that it shows all the important sites in Matsue, so you don't need to, I don't know, walk around or take the bus. I mean, there's a city tour bus, but the bus is something that we take every day. And the boat tour is something kind of rare, at least for me, because it's my actual first time doing a boat tour. I've done some boats in, I don't know, Vietnam or other, you know, Southeast country, but in Japan it's my first time and I really loved it. The ticket price is 1,600 yen. In Korean won, there will be 15,000 won. In US dollar, $12. And it's valid throughout the whole day, so, you know, it's totally worth it. That right there is Matsue Castle. It's one of a few castles that still, where you can still see the original form of the castle. I think, if I remember well, I think there's 12 or 20 left in whole Japan, and this one is one of them. And I think it's free to visit. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. If you can read Japanese, read it here. For me, I don't read it, so I'll go and see. 800 yen. But, you know, it's okay. If I'm not here, I cannot go there, so let's go. Okay, just paid and got in. I'm sweating because it's very hot here in Japan right now. But let's go see the view from here first, and then we go into the castle. I think you should take off your shoes too. This is what you see once you go up here. Oh. But if you have a bad knee, don't ever think of coming here. It's just impossible. That's the boat I'm riding for today. Horikawa sightseeing boat. And then they got 3 different ports where you can get on. The one is my initial place, and then the other is this castle, and then the last one is a beer place something.
Venice, lamp, Tetsu's memory, Edo period.
Okay, boat tour finished. Very good. I strongly recommend doing this. It's just the one sucky part is that my Japanese is like nearly zero. So that's on me, but the driver was very gentle enough to play the English explanation file, so I understand like few of like campsites, not campsites, sorry, tour sites. Yeah. So now back to the station. Let's try to eat something. I'm hungry. You see this small iron birds? Very typical Japanese street. I don't know if this is a river or the ocean, but this is beautiful ocean.